In a certain code, road is written as URDG. How is swan written in that code? Now, a very common type of code is where the difference between the corresponding alphabets is having some pattern. Okay. So the first alphabet here in road is R and the code language is U. Okay. So after R, we are skipping S, T, and we are getting U. So we are skipping two, and therefore, in terms of rank, we can say it is plus 3. Okay. The rank of R is 18 and the rank of U is 21. Let's see for the next one. O, and the code language is R. So the alphabet skipped are P, Q. The rank of O is 15. The rank of R is 18. So again, you can see it is plus 3. Let's see for the next one. A, the code language is D. The alphabet skipped are B, C. The rank of A is A1 and the rank of D is 4. So here again it is plus 3. And the last alphabet is D. The code language is G. The rank of D is 4 and the rank of G is 7. We are skipping the alphabets E and F. So again here it is plus 3. Okay. So the common logic throughout the word is we are adding 3 to the rank, or if we are counting in terms of the alphabet skipped, we are skipping 2 alphabets. Okay. So S, T, U. So the code language will be V. Okay. So option D is eliminated because the first alphabet is U. Next is W. Next we have W, X, Y. So it will be Z. So VZ. That means option A is eliminated. Next one is A. B, C are skipped. We get D. So therefore answer will be option B. Now let's just confirm it. N is there. O, P we skip. The answer will be Q. So V, Z, D, Q. And that's our answer, option B.